For today's video, I'm going to show you a website on where you can make different symmetry patterns, and it's totally free. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So this is the website, and I will leave a link to this in the description down below. And all I want to do is just show you how this works, and it's just another option, another source. It's free. You can use to make symmetry shapes. I just want to give a real quick definition on what symmetry is. So a line of symmetry is when a straight line can be drawn through an object or a shape to divide it into two parts so that one side looks like a mirror image of the other side. All right, so this website allows you to do that here. And let me just show you really quick here. So this is the x-axis, which is this line here, and then you can click on any of these things here to make symmetry. Okay, for example, click here. If I click on it here, I make a shape. There you go, see? And it's perfectly symmetrical here, like that, okay? If you don't want to use this one, you just go to the clear button. You want to do line, you can do a line like that, and you can do different lines. And as you can see, perfectly symmetrical. They're mirroring each other, like I just said. Okay, and if you want to undo it, just go like that, and it individually removes them. So there's different options here you can do, but as you can see, they make symmetry. Okay, you can overlap it like this, and it is perfectly symmetrical. You just clear it out. Again, I'm just showing you some real quick functions here. If you want to use the y-axis, it's just going down the middle here, and it does the exact same thing. All right, so you can see it's symmetrical like that. So I'm just showing you some different examples here of how to make symmetry. You can change the colors here. You can go to red and do the same thing like that, see? And then you can make multiple ones here like that, see? They can overlap each other, but they're all symmetry. And then you can go like this in one angle, and again, it's just going to do the same thing like that, see? And then if you want to have them overlap, you can, but it's perfectly symmetrical. Okay, if you want to go in the opposite direction, you can. So the grid function here with lines gives you an option to make with dots here. So basically you can just draw following the dots. Okay, so if you want to do more of a freehand approach, you can do it like that. The straight line one does a perfect straight line. So again, if you're not comfortable doing freehand, you can do straight lines like this, okay? And again, everything is just symmetrical. It's mirroring each other here. So I just wanted to show you some of the options, some of the features that you have for this. They're out there on the internet. Just you yourself go ahead and try it out. But you don't have grid paper or anything like that, come on this website and you can do symmetry here. So I just wanted to, again, just show you some options that are out there regarding geometry, math, and making shapes, you know, symmetrical shapes. I enjoy sharing anything I find and passing that off to you, the viewer, so you can utilize that. Okay, that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.